There are 200 billion views watching YouTube Shorts daily. I mean globally. And that is the latest research I got from YouTube. And that is the reason why I'm telling you now. Because if you're uploading any video on YouTube and you are not making use of the YouTube Shorts right now, you need to start uploading YouTube Shorts on your YouTube page right now, because you need to start taking advantage of it. You need to know that it is in portrait, not landscape. So the ratio and the aspect is 9:16. Now there are various ways whereby you can use to upload your YouTube Shorts, which I'll be telling you practically, and it is very, very simple. So you have nothing to worry about. Follow me. So I'm with my phone, and you are just going to head on to your YouTube app first. The first way, click your YouTube app, click on the plus button, then look for the shorts. You can record, pause, record, pause, record, pause, and that's it. And you will see by the side there are lots of features that you can take advantage of. You have flip, you have timer, duration. Just play around it. You have effect, speed, 1 plus, 2 plus, 3 plus. We have green screen as well with touch, and we have filter. You want your video to look a certain way, not some certain way, just play around it. We have lightning, a lot of features. Now if you want to add sound to your YouTube Shorts, and this is very important because adding sound outside YouTube, not making use of the ones inside the YouTube channel or YouTube app, is so risky, because at times they can bring out copyright strike. They can violate copyright. You understand? So it is very best, and that's very, very amazing if you can make use of the one that you see here, which is just click on the add sound. When you click on the add sound, you see a lot of sounds, a lot of music. You can add any one of them, listen to them, take your time and just add it. Click on it, press the arrow, and that's it. Then click on the mark button, then next. And yes, before you click on next, you see the aspect whereby you see a lot of features as well. The text, you want to add text on it. Don't mind me. So you want to add text on it, position it very well, and other features like effect, voice over, captions, stickers, and lots more. Please take your time to check this. Then next. Now you see this pencil button, right? You don't like what is displaying, what people are seeing. Like if you upload your short, what people will see. So you now want to change your thumbnail. So you click on the pencil, play around it, then just select any clip, then tick. So make sure that your title is very, very optimized. Make sure that the title you put there, people are currently searching for it, so that you get millions of views and you will have done your research. Because if you check my channel very well, I used to make mention of optimized SEO titles. Make your research, please. Then you set it to on list or private. On list or private because you don't want to publish it yet, so that YouTube algorithm will take their time. Just put it in on list or private within the next 3 hours or few hours, so that YouTube algorithm will take their time to be able to read, your YouTube video. Maybe it's against their guidelines or not. So if it's not against their guidelines, no problem. You've passed the copyright strike, then you can publish it. You understand? Set it to public like that, then upload it. But if it doesn't, that is when you will now know, what is happening. They are going to list what actually made them to, make it, to put it under copyright strike. You understand? So then you can make adjustments and delete that video and re-upload another video. That's so beautiful. So the section of add description, I used to say here that if you want to add any description at all, make it very short. Very, very short. It is very important. Then add related hashtag. I used to say 3, 6, 10. Highest 10 hashtag is okay. Then let's move to other place. Location optional, but related video as well is optional. If you don't have any related video, you want them to be directed to, it's fine if you have had it there. Then you have remix section. This remix section, it allows people to use your video and audio again. But if you don't want them to, it's fine. But I would advise you to, pick the allow video and audio remixing. That's fine. It's so great. Then the AI use. Now here, I have a video that I already mentioned. I already talk about how you can upload like YouTube short the right way that is going to get you millions of views and millions of subscribers. But you can check my channel about that particular video. So this AI use section, I'll advise that you set it to no, not yes. But if you are using AI, if your video altered a particular person, is realistic and is not realistic, and you're using AI for that particular person, so I'm saying that you can use yes, not no. But if it's your own thing, if it's your own video that you did yourself, then you can put it to no. Then hashtag, make sure that it's not that bulky. 3610, highest 10 hashtag, and that's it. Then you can upload your video, upload shots. That's it. It's very simple. Can you see? And another way whereby you can use to upload your shots is making use of the YouTube Studio app. And if you have your phone, fine. If you don't have your phone, if you have your laptop, or you can, any one of them, just make use of your phone. Because my phone, I love making use of my phone when it comes to YouTube Shorts. When I want to upload it, I love making use of my phone. So make use of your phone to upload your YouTube Shorts. You can either use your Google Chrome or your YouTube app, which I would advise that you use your YouTube app, because it has a lot of features more than using your YouTube app itself. So if you use your YouTube Studio to upload YouTube Shorts, it's going to have a lot of features that you see than uploading it on your YouTube app. And that is all you need to know about how to upload. Now you are trying to find ideas, you are like scrolling on your YouTube app, you don't know what to do, you are just go to the short aspect. You see a lot of people uploading videos, you see a lot of trending videos. Now you click this button. There's this button called remix. Click on it. So you see a lot of options that use this sound, use this template, collab, green screen, cut this video. You can do anything you want to do with it, so it doesn't go against YouTube guidelines. Or you can just make use of the sound of the video and just use the sound. That's it. You'll be able to use it for anything you want to use it for. That is all about that. A lot of people ask me that can they make money from YouTube Shorts? The answer is complete yes. You can make money from YouTube Shorts, but you have to meet up to their criteria. The criteria currently now is 1,000 subscribers with 10 million views in the next 90 days. I'm saying that currently because YouTube has upgraded their criteria, and it's going to take effect by next year, 1st of February, 2027, next year, 1st of February. So, and the next year criteria is going to be still 1,000 subscribers with 20 million views in the next 90 days. So you still have time. That's the reason why I'm making this video as fast as possible, so that people will start taking advantage of YouTube Shorts and you can make a lot of money. But the CPM of short form videos are not that much like the long form videos. So that is just about that. But it's very, very possible for you to make money on YouTube Shorts. And I create this particular video. You need to watch it for you to know a lot of things that you need to do more on your YouTube Shorts. Now, if you always follow my channel, you need to watch this video. Go and watch it. I will not tell you what is into it because this video is getting long already and I do not plan for it to get long. So see ya.